Question 34 is, what is the biggest heat pump you can buy? So heat pumps are divided into two sections. You have domestic heat pumps, which are the ones that we would typically use, and these are all designed to work on the power supply that you have in your house. So most people are aware that the power supply at home, 240 volts, power supply single phase. In big commercial buildings, they have a much bigger power supply called a three-phase supply, which works at 415 volts. Once you get into this commercial power supply, the sky's the limit. So the biggest heat pump I've ever worked on was 1,100 kilowatts, which is enough heat for something like 100 houses. The units at that size are the size of a 40-foot lorry that you see going down the motorway, and you can actually walk inside the units, and you can see from the picture here how big they are. It's not the sort of thing you'd want parked outside your house, but often when you're watching movies and you have overhead shots, especially when you see them in America going across the skyline in New York, if you look down, the heat pump geeks are all looking at the fans and everything on the roof. Those great big fans are huge heat pumps heating skyscrapers and so on. So heat pumps are available in pretty much any size you like, but the domestic ones tend to stop around about 16 kilowatts.